everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm here with an unboxing. I just got this from FedEx and I think this is my Craspire. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I will link everything down on the description below that I received, and I will also link a coupon code on any purchase of over $40. You get $5 off, and it's Kathy5. And I will also link Craspire down on the description below. And yes, it is. Oh my goodness. So I just actually got an email from them this morning that my shipment was coming out. So wow, it's here already. So that's surprising. So anyways, yay. So let's see what I got. And oh, excuse me, you guys. So as you guys can see, this is well wrapped up. Awesome. And it's a little hard to get to, so hold on, you guys. Okay, so I just took this out, and then as you guys could see, there's some items in here, and there's some more items here, and they did send me a packing list, and here are the items that I received, and it just tells you what I got, like one piece, one set. So anyways, so I'll show you guys this in a moment. So I got this. This is a set, and this is, it comes the wax stamp, or the stamp for the wax comes in here, and this is what I got. Excuse all the crinkling, you guys. And this is what I got right here. Oh my gosh, this was like a, it looks like a castle, I think it was. So I will stamp that later on and show you guys what I received. And then, sorry. So this comes really wrapped up. And very well protected. And then, excuse me, I have buttery fingers. I can never open anything. And this one was, I think it says wishes, best wishes, yeah. I don't know if you guys could see that. Well, let me show you guys. You could actually take these off. As I could see, take these off and replace them. So I'll show you that in a moment. And then I also received the Sharpies that come along with it, the color pens. So when you do a wax, you could actually color the wax, the inside wax. It comes with another little spoon for your wax. Awesome. Also, always awesome to have an extra one. And then it comes with candles. Candles for the bottom of your wax thing. And these colors, aren't these beautiful colors? These remind me of sea colors. So aren't these cute? Woohoo! Can't wait to play with them. So I also got these additional stamps, the seal stamps, and this one says happy birthday. I don't know if you guys could see it. Happy birthday. And all you have to do is just replace them right here. So awesome. So you don't even have to buy this all the time. You could just buy the bottom of the seal, and that's it. And you basically change them out. And this one is two doves, or two swans. This is what he looks like. Oh, isn't he cute? They're cute. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the glare. There you go. So you can always replace them and change them out, so you don't have a whole bunch of these handles there. And let me see. And this one, I think it was a 400 piece of wax seals in here. I think I remember that. And then you also get some of the tea light candles. That's what they're called. These are called tea light candles. And you just put them under your burner and to burn off your wax. So, oh, this one has pens too. Ooh, I wasn't expecting pens with this one. Okay, so like you guys see, it's very well protected. Oh, yes. So it does come with extra tea lights, which is awesome. Always needing those. And then it comes with an additional 2 pens. And then, oh yes, it has an additional wax spoon. And this is a 1/2 teaspoon. So awesome to have. And the tea. And here we go. And these are your wax. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all these colors. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness. There's about, I think I said 400. Yeah, 400. So awesome. And these are like kind of like metallic kind of. You guys really can't see it, but there's a shimmer to them. So awesome. Can't wait to share it and play with them. And these are pretty small. So I might have to use a few, not just 1 or 2. Might have to use about 4 or 5. We'll find out. I'll have to play with them and I'll let you guys know. And awesome! Oh my goodness. Can't wait to play with these. Here you go. And here are the other ones. So, and they come in these containers, which is amazing. And I will link everything down in the description below so you guys can check them out. Hopefully take advantage of that coupon code that I have on there. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video with a project share with these. And bye for now.